Hi, everybody. What we're going to do today is we're just going to take a look at Google Classroom, and we're going to start off really basic with just how do you get to Google Classroom. So up here in your address bar, you're going to go to classroom.google.com. You'll notice I already have that in there as I've been in Google Classroom before. So we just go there, hit enter. Currently, I signed out just so I can show you guys what it looks like if you are signed out. So it pops up, either it will be blank and prompt you to put your actual username in, or if you've signed in before, typically your username will be saved for you, and all you have to do is type your password to sign in. So now that I've signed in, that brings me to Google Classroom. And you'll see I have a couple classes here that show up as kind of your dashboard. You can always click on the three bars here. That kind of gives you your menu. So you can see different things, calendar view, work that is pending for your students. You can see all your classes on the side, and archive classes and settings, things like that. We'll get to that at a little bit later time. But the very first thing you really need to be able to do with Classroom is you need to actually be able to set up a class. So if you go to the upper right hand corner, you'll see your name here. This is me. Well, you see this little plus sign. And in order to start a new class, you're going to click on that plus sign. And it gives you two options. You can join a class, which is what you would do as a student to join a teacher's class, or you can create a class, which is what we're going to be doing as teachers. So if we click on create a class, it prompts us with basically these three things that it wants to know. You have to have a class name. You can also put section down, which is pretty helpful, at least in terms of organization for you and sometimes for the students. And then subject, that one is, if you want to put it down, unless you're teaching lots of different things, they'll probably be mostly the same for you. For our purposes, what we're doing right now is new teacher orientation. So that's going to be the name of our class. And all we do is hit create. I'm leaving the rest of this stuff blank. And ta-da, there we have new teacher orientation. So that's our first segment. That's how we start everything. So I'll leave you with that. We'll come back for a little bit later.